As you can see from that video, there goes my MT-03. I have officially sold my very first motorcycle that I have ever bought. And it's quite a bittersweet feeling. What's going on, y'all? Hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today is a bittersweet day for me. This is my last ride on the MT-03, which was my first motorcycle ever. Feels even weird to kind of refer it to in the past tense now. So, some background information on the MT-03, why I bought the bike and why I wanted the MT-03 as my first motorcycle ever. I was cross-shopping the usual, entry-level 300cc range motorcycles that you can go for. So the Yamaha MT-03, obviously the MT-03, CBR 300, the Kawasaki Ninja 400, the typical 300cc entry-level beginner bike class of motorcycles. And the MT-03 is something that I really like just because it provided a very well-balanced bang for your buck kind of package. It had the looks for me personally. It had a comfortable upright seating ergonomics, which is something that I wanted just because I felt more comfortable in that, especially as a beginner. And that really allowed me to, feel more confident while I'm riding, especially when I'm in the process of learning. So what benefits has motorcycling provided me? First off, community. I get to meet other motorcyclists or people that are interested in motorcycles or simply just like motorcycles, both in person and online through YouTube. In a sense, that has really opened doors for me as it allowed me to learn a whole new craft of video, audio editing, still learning by the way, which is incredibly fun. It has even helped me be more creative and expressive, which definitely translates into my personal life as well. It allowed me to conquer a fear, which in my opinion is something that is worth all of the effort alone. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my previous videos, I had a fear of riding because I whiskey throttled a friend's bike back when I was young and dumb and ended up crashing the bike. Although I love bikes, that fear that I would crash again on a bike just kept me away from motorcycles in general for a long time. Anyways, regardless, fear conquered, check. It also provides a lot of mental clarity, especially like while you're riding, and just overall some solid mental health benefits like preventing burnout, stress management, and some benefits for, depression and anxiety as well. Alright. It sounds like we're going off on a tangent now, but I swear there is a method behind the madness. Or is there?
Bruh.
The point is, the MT-03 has a lot of these experiences attached to it, specifically my MT-03, that no other bike that I will ever own will ever have. Sure, I will gain different experiences and learn different things from other motorcycles in the future, but the fact that I learned the aforementioned things with this specific bike, that will never change. Because there's a lot of sentimental value and attachment to the bike, when I posted it for sale, I wasn't as concerned with the price as I was with, the bike to go to someone who I feel like would take care of it. I wasn't really in a rush to sell it at all, which was a fortunate situation for me. Not all can be in the same boat. I acknowledge that. I would have done the whole N+1 rule thing and just kept both, but I simply didn't really have the garage space or space anywhere to keep both the MT-03 and the new Aprilia RS660. Anyways, so the guy I ended up selling the bike to seemed like a super chill dude. It just so happened that he was in a pretty much, in the exact same situation as me when I was looking for my first bike. His path of pursuing motorcycles as a way to kind of introduce something new into his life and, invigorate it with a little bit of passion was similar to my reasoning. When he came to check out the bike, he initially came by himself. It didn't even seem like he knew what to look for in a used bike, which I absolutely don't blame him because I was in the exact same shoes. I didn't know squat either. So no judgment there. I walked him through the different aspects of motorcycles in general and then shared my riding journey experience. And that's what kind of prompted him to open up and share his own experience from there. So that was nice. He mentioned that his friend was coming out to check out the bike for him. His friend does ride motorcycles and he wanted someone he trusted to check out the bike, which is something I highly recommend anyone do if you're looking for a used motorcycle. So here's the story. His friend comes, but the thing is, the guy was mobbing deep and brought like 10 other riders with him. I was just standing there like, bruh, what is this? Is this some kind of like intimidation technique to bring the price down or what? But anyways, the fellas ended up being super chill and chatty, so nothing actually went down, besides the sale, of course. Long story short, the guy ended up loving the MT-03. He bought it 2 days later since he needed a way to transport the bike, as he didn't trust himself riding on the freeway right after getting his license. Again, I was in the same boat, so I could understand. I am still low-key sad that the MT-03 is gone, but it is what it is. Will I regret my decision to sell it? Perhaps, but will I eventually get into a naked bike and all will be okay at that time, right? I wanted to hear your guys' thoughts too. Did you end up selling your first bike? Or what was your experience like? Or if you got your first bike, would you sell it? Anyways, y'all, that brings us to the end of the video. I'm gonna miss the MT-03 a lot, but I do look forward to growing and learning with the Aprilia 2. As always, thumbs if you enjoyed it, subs if you loved it, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.